So as a reminder to myself to refill my little jug here for making my own iron supplement. This came off of a thread on Reef to Reef from Randy Holmes-Farley, so this is not mine, but just doing what works. Basically, these are Fergon iron supplement pellets, tablets, and one tablet mixed with 25 milliliters of water. So I have 1 liter of water here, which is 1,000 milliliters. I got 40 tablets. This is how I usually mix it. I already did the 1 liter already. So once I get this dissolved and mixed overnight, I usually use a coffee filter in the funnel just to filter it into the storage container, and that's what I got to do every so often, because we go through quite a bit of iron in the system. And in addition to that, why not, right? You can use it yourself.